This video reviews the standard installation workflow for WhatsUp Gold. Installing WhatsUp Gold is simple, particularly when you use the standard installation option. You should install WhatsUp Gold on a dedicated server. Do not use this server for any other purpose. You should disable the WebDAV extension on this server. Do not install WhatsUp Gold on a domain controller, and do not use terminal services or remote desktop for the installation. WhatsUp Gold requires Microsoft SQL Server for its database. When you choose the standard installation, WhatsUp Gold is installed with a dedicated instance of SQL Server Express. WhatsUp Gold has a variety of other system requirements and will confirm that your system meets these standards before starting the installation. You can review the system requirements for your version of WhatsUp Gold by navigating to the release notes located on docs.progress.com. To install WhatsUp Gold, locate and run the application that you downloaded from the Progress community. The application performs prerequisite checks, then extracts all required installation files. When prompted, select your desired language and click OK. On the Welcome page, select Standard Installation and click Next. Please note if you need information on advanced installation, offline license activation, or any other details not covered in this video, refer to the WhatsUp Gold installation guide available on docs.progress.com. Next, review the End User License Agreement, select I accept the terms, and click Next. You may see the results of a system configuration check. If any prerequisite checks did not pass, please resolve them, then click Revalidate to perform the system configuration check again. When your system passes the requirements, click Next. Verify that your activation key is populated in the License Information dialog, then click Next. You have the option to keep the default SQL Server Administrator password or enter and confirm a custom password. Click Next. WhatsUp Gold uses port number 443 by default. If this port is in use by another website, you are prompted to either click Yes to have the installation program take over port 443 for use by WhatsUp Gold, or to click No and specify an alternate port number before proceeding. Select a certificate option for HTTPS binding. You can choose to use an existing certificate from either a certificate store or your local machine, or you can generate a self-signed certificate. Then click Next. At this point, if your license includes the log management feature, you are prompted for Elasticsearch server information. You may enter this information now, or leave these fields blank to be configured later inside WhatsUp Gold. Click Next. Click Proceed to begin the installation. After it has completed, click Finish. An internet browser automatically launches the initial WhatsUp Gold user interface. Set your administrator password, then sign in to WhatsUp Gold. Thank you for watching this video reviewing the standard installation workflow for WhatsUp Gold.